Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe to make moist banana bread with yogurt. It's so delicious that at our place it doesn't even last a full day, and also it makes the whole apartment smell like a fresh Italian bakery. Mine is gonna be with chocolate chips, so let's jump into it. Making banana bread is very simple. I start by beating 2 eggs and the sugar with an electric mixer, but don't worry, if you don't have it, you can simply do it by hand with a whisk. Just 2-3 minutes will be enough. And then I add the remaining wet ingredients. The oil, I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use whatever substitute of that, the yogurt, and lastly the bananas that I mashed up first in a separate bowl with a fork. It's nice to use bananas that are quite ripe. This is the perfect amount of ripeness for my taste. A nice trick if you don't have ripe bananas is to put them in the oven for a few minutes at 300 Fahrenheit. I also like to do that when I only have frozen bananas, but I'm dying to make banana bread. Once I add them in the bowl, I quickly stir them with the mixer off. Now we're ready to add the dry ingredients, which are the oats, the flour, and the baking powder. I like to sift the flour and the baking powder together, just like this. I usually add half of the flour, I quickly give it a stir, and then the other half. I scrape off the sides with a spatula, and then I go ahead and give it one last quick mix. Watch out not to overbeat the batter. Just a few seconds will be enough to incorporate the flour. Lastly, I like to make it rain with a little bit of dark chocolate chips. With a spatula, mix them in with movements that go up and over. I grease a 9x5 loaf pan with a bit of butter, or you can use a cooking spray. I put the butter in it, I spread it around, I shake the pan a bit to evenly distribute it, and now it's ready for the oven. I cook it for about 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Watch out, because the cooking time really varies based on the oven and especially the size of the pan. So make sure to check often, and once it is out of the oven, let it cool down a few minutes if you can, and enjoy. I really love banana bread. It's so fun to make it. You can get really creative with it. You can put all kinds of different ingredients or toppings such as raisins, hazelnuts, walnuts, cinnamon, or whatever you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free and I will be posting a new video every single Thursday, so stay tuned for more.